Hello traders, in this video we'll have a look at how to handle and manipulate CTrader on your Android phone. Once you open the CTrader platform, you will be asked to log in. The home screen has 6 different tabs, which you can change by swiping left and right. Also, you have 2 options below. The main one is called Trade, and the second one is called Blotter, and it displays all new economic events. Menu can be accessed by pressing the menu button in the upper left corner. You can make a new order, create price alert, find and add symbols, open settings, sign out, or switch between different accounts. If you click on Watchlist tab, you can create different watchlists and also open new positions. New watchlists can be created by clicking arrow button, and new symbols can be added when you scroll down and click on Add Symbols. Existing symbols can be modified by clicking the pencil button. In this tab, you can create different watchlists and also open new positions. In the Position tab, you can see your currently open trades. If you press the New Trade button on the lower right side, you can quickly open a new trade. As you can see, our freshly opened trade is now in the Position tab, where you can modify it by closing partial profits, setting stop losses, and take profits. You can also open the chart for a given instrument and see instrument details. The next tab shows your resting orders. If we create a new buy limit order and create it below the market, you can see it in the Orders tab. The price alerts allow you to see your active price alerts and create new ones. If we press the plus button on the lower right side, we can create a new price alert. The History tab shows you P&L from all your executed trades. If you scroll down, you can see Realized P&L of your whole account. You can click on each trade to show details. Transaction tab shows deposit and withdrawals on your trading account. If you go to Watchlist tab, after you click on the instrument of your choice, you can see the quick execution bar chart, market sentiments, depth of the market, economic calendar, instrument specs, market hours, and your trading statistics. If you enlarge the chart, you can use the bottom bar for changing time frames, different chart visualization, adding indicators, drawing tools, and making a new order. Alright traders, that's all for now. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you liked it, hit the subscribe button and follow us on our social media channels. Thank you for watching, and I am looking forward to seeing you next time.